Imagine you are working on a construction or carpentry job. During each workday, you are constantly using fractions to cut material into precise lengths. You need to use the largest piece of material to complete a task. What fraction has the largest value? 2/3 or 4/7? What is your choice? Reason number 1 allows us to compare fractions. Looking at the two fractions, 2/3 and 4/7, it may not be immediately obvious which one is larger. We need to find equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Here you can see that 2/3 is equivalent to 14/21, and 4/7 is equivalent to 12/21. Since each fraction is broken up into the same size pieces, we can see that 2/3 is larger than 4/7. Reason number 2, needed for scaling recipes and proportions. In cooking and other real-life situations, you often need to scale recipes up or down. Understanding equivalent fractions helps you adjust ingredients correctly while maintaining the same proportions. For example, if we were making a cake serving for 8 people and the recipe required 2 cups of flour, if we needed to double the recipe and cater for 16 people, then you must use equivalent fractions to not change the recipe. Then if you double the amount of people, then you must double the flour, equaling 4 cups. As you can see, these fractions are equivalent, meaning the recipe has not changed. Reason number 3, helps when working with percentages. Equivalent fractions are related to percentages, since a percentage is a fraction out of 100. We can solve percentage problems using the skill of equivalent fractions. For example, if you wanted to buy a brand new pair of jeans that cost $200, and you notice there is a 25% off sale. 25% is the same as 25/100, and this fraction is equivalent to 1/4. The skill of equivalent fractions easily helps us figure out how much we could save. 25% of 200, or in other words, what's 1/4 of 200? This is $50 of savings. You now know why we need this skill. However, you won't be able to apply this properly until you learn all the details needed for equivalent fractions. Watch this next video to get the best visual demonstration of this skill.